Thank you in advance for the time and opportunity given to me to make a presentation related to the article I published on ICIS 2020. Thank you for accepting my article so that it can be published in the IEEE proceeding. The article I published with the title of the classification of tuber based on image with the deep learning algorithm. I am Nur Nafi'iyah. I lecture in Lamongan Islamic University and I study doctoral in ETS. Background research. The reason we did this research is that there are some areas in Indonesia that do not plant tuber because of this condition. Many people or some people do not know the types of tuber, so will we make an application for the classification of tuber with deep learning algorithm or CNN. The aim of our research is to find out the accuracy of the deep learning algorithm in classifying the types of tuber. Our research method is to us to approach. The first proposed approach is CNN with 15 layer, and the second approach is CNN with or 12 layer. In input data, research image tuber, which are classifying into three classes, namely sweet potato class, cassava, and talas. The data we ask are (150) image data for training and 30 for testing. The image we ask is the grayscale image with a size of 70 width and 90 height. The first architecture model is the image of the left of the architecture model. The second is the right image of the first model with 15 layer, with all the types in the image of the left of the second model, namely 12 layer with the screen tips to the right of the image to the right and left image same size as 70 width and 90 height. Namely, the grayscale image and classification into three classes. The activation used is softmax activation. The convolution layer is a process for feature extraction. Then, pooling layer, namely for the process taking important feature, we're using a maximum value with 2 dimensions, and the size 2 width and 2 height. Then we did the test with the following accuracy value because whether we propose with 2 CNN architecture, and we also tried to test it with the SVM KNN backpropagation method. The accuracy value of the first model with 15 layer, which is 96.7%. The second model is 12 layer, namely 93%. We also tested the SVM algorithm on the feature set. The accuracy value is 7%, and use the texture feature. The accuracy value is 10%. Then use the second feature both form feature and texture feature combined with 7%. Then we also concluded trial with the KNN algorithm with value of K1 to 6, but the base value is K2 and K5. KNN with K same 5 for feature the shape accuracy 23% and feature texture 3%. And both feature are 7%. While the algorithm KNN with K same 2 based on the shape feature 23% and texture feature 13%, with features 10%. Furthermore, we also testing with the backpropagation algorithm with the MSE value. Here we calculate it with the formula for the real value minus the prediction value to the power of 2. Then look for the average based the feature from the value of the accuracy 0.35, texture feature 1.12, and the 2 feature 0.553. The conclusion of our research is that the first CNN algorithm with 15 layer result from 96.7% accuracy, and the second model with 12 layer with 93% accuracy. So, the CNN algorithm has better accuracy than the SVM, KNN, and backpropagation algorithm. Thank you in advance. Thank you and apologies for the shortcoming of our research. Good night.